Hello, I am Dr. Amelia Aldeo, and I am an assistant professor of clinical psychology at The Ohio State University. I am also the director of a lab in which we study how people experience and regulate their emotions. As the clinical psychologist that I am particularly interested in how difficulties with emotions are associated with mental disorders, conditions like anxiety, depression, eating disorders, or substance abuse problems. Now you may wonder how we study emotions in the lab, and it's actually relatively straightforward. Participants come in the lab and we immerse them in an emotional experience. We get them to feel emotions like anxiety, anger, sadness, and happiness. We measure how they feel those emotions, and we measure how they regulate or control those emotions. Now we're not the only lab doing this kind of work. There's actually hundreds of labs all over the world that study emotion and emotion regulation. But I bet you didn't know that. And that is exactly why I decided to start blogging. I would like to share with you guys the science of emotions. And I would like to do that in two ways. First, I would like to take an in-depth look at how we design experiments to study emotions in the lab. And then, I would also like to talk about how the findings that we have in the lab have implications for your everyday life. When I say that reappraising your emotions is a good thing, what do I mean by that? And how can you reappraise your emotions? So I hope that you guys come with me in this journey. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, suggestions, feel free to write them in the comment boxes below, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.